Hey, you! Yeah, you. Staring at that blinking cursor. You've been there. I've been there. Procrastination hits hard. Today's big project? Punted in favor of reorganizing your sock drawer 3 times. It's that moment when self-doubt shows up uninvited, like a weird guest who eats your snacks. You sit, you stare, you refresh your inbox again. That's our starting point. So I thought, what if happiness were a recipe? A recipe you could scribble in a notebook, with ingredients you probably already own but forgot to use. Let's cook. Step 1. Grab a big cup of gratitude. Not the tiny thanks you mutter when someone holds the door. I mean the full-on, wow, I actually have a door to hold. I once thanked my morning coffee so passionately it almost blushes. Gratitude warms you, like that first sip before it burns your tongue. Next, a pinch of rest, just a pinch. Because if I say nap, you'll shut down the video. My last nap turned into an existential crisis. Woke up convinced I missed the last 5 years. But rest, even 10 minutes, can reboot your brain. Now stir in 2 tablespoons of creativity. Yes, I measured. My measuring spoons judge me. Creativity isn't just painting or writing. It's doodling mid-Zoom meeting. It's the tiny what-if ideas that make life fun. Add a dash of kindness. Like when you let someone go ahead in line, even if they have 5 items and you have 1. Or when your brain reminds you to cut yourself some slack, you deserve that. Finally, sprinkle in absurdity. Because sometimes life hands you lemons and you have no sugar or water, just a rubber chicken. Pro tip, laughter is a secret spice. And if it makes no sense, even better. Okay, maybe I overdid it. My kitchen is covered in glitter. My cat is wearing a tiny chef's hat. And it hates it. And my neighbor just offered me a restraining order for my spice rack. So there I was, buried, regretting my life choices. As the rubber chicken took flight, I realized recipes are great, but real happiness isn't a checklist. It's forgiving yourself when the chicken lands on your head. It's sipping coffee, late, early, or whenever you remember. It's those tiny, imperfect moments you didn't plan. And yes, sometimes it's a giant spoonful of absurdity. So there you have it. Mix, mess up, laugh, repeat. Because life's too short to follow recipes exactly. Embrace the spills. They're part of the flavor. If this video gave you a little boost or helped you learn something new, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want more motivational and easy to understand content just like this, go ahead and subscribe. And turn on that bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching. Stay messy, stay kind. See you next time.